Hey friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to add charts to your VideoScribe. In this, we will take example of 3 different charts that you can add to the canvas. So let us start with adding the charts. We have to click this tab. Once you have done it, the default is bar diagram. So I'll have to put the labels here. I want to represent some data here, so I'll put the labels first. Labels, suppose I'm evaluating performance of, say, Amanda. Then Brittany, and Chasey. And these are the scores. For example, Amanda scored 8 pointers, Brittany scored 5 pointers, and Chasey scored 12 pointers. So I have to click this. I can select the font that I want. So I'll keep it to basic. And I want to show the values, yes. And where do you want the labels to be seen? I want the labels to be seen outside. So I'll have to click the right icon here. I'll click it. Now here it is. Amanda, Brittany, and Chase. I want to color this. I want to show it in color. I'll again go back there and I'll tick mark the color. So it will choose by default different colors to show them. Here it is. Now second type of chart is, again we have to go there, click on the icon, add chart. Now I want to show a pie diagram. Same, I'll put Amanda, Brittany, and Chasey. Their scores are 8, 5, and 12 respectively. Color, yes. Do I have to show them inside? No, yes, I want to show it inside. Do I want to show values? Yes. Selected. Here it is. The pie diagram is available. Now friends, let us see how to insert a line diagram. We have to go and click on the chart icon. From there, we have to select line diagram. I'm writing the initials: A for Amanda, B for Brittany, and C for Chasey. I'm writing values here: 5, 8, and 12. You want to show values? Yes. Do you want to show in color? Yes. And right click it. So here it is. You can resize and reposition it. This is the line diagram. So these are 3 different type of charts that you can make through VideoScribe. I hope you have enjoyed this. See you in the next class.